So you will need to find the volume of your trash, your everyday weekly trash. But how do you do that? Well, there's a few ways to go about it. First of all, we're looking at solids right now in terms of how much their volume is. Although not everything will be a perfect sphere, perfect cylinder, or rectangular solid, sometimes things can be pretty darn close. Life is messy, there's so much out there. But let's take a look at this guy. So, this, again, not the perfect solid, not the easiest to find the dimensions of, but if you look at it from above, you can kind of see what might be a cylinder here. You could have a radius about yay big, and then you keep in mind, where does it start here? How far up do I go? Maybe about that tall. So you could take a measurement and be able to determine the volume based on that height and that radius. And there you go, you've got a cylinder. Similarly, this guy is a little bit more round. Well, what's more round than a sphere? Estimate what your radius would be, and then you can calculate for a sphere. Now, these are not going to be perfect. Clearly, we can see that they are not. But if you can recognize that, hey, I'm going to have a little bit overage, or I'm going to underestimate what the actual volume is, that gives us a ballpark of where to work from. Again, life is messy. Nothing is going to be perfect. But we can approximate through these something like a sphere or something like a cylinder that would be able to help us determine. How you do that is up to you. Explain it, explain your process, justify it. We'll talk about it. Have fun.